Intro to Quadrilaterals, taught by Calvin Pang. Quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals have four sides, four angles, and they can either be concave or convex. Concave quadrilaterals are quadrilaterals that are caved in. There has to be one interior angle greater than 180 degrees. If there are no interior angles greater than 180 degrees, then it is convex. As you can see in my drawings, I have a concave quadrilateral, and there is one interior angle that is greater than 180 degrees, making it concave. Trapezoid. A trapezoid has four sides and four angles. They either require a minimum of one pair of parallel sides or only one pair of parallel sides. It depends on how you view it. Some people consider the shape to the right to be a trapezoid. Parallelogram. Parallelograms are shapes with two pairs of parallel sides. Some examples of parallelograms are squares, rhombuses, etc. There are also two pairs of congruent angles. Because the sides are parallel, the angles are parallel too.